It's like very simple, and it has only one word that you have to say.
How do you say it?
Two.
Okay. Wow. Yeah, you have to make this face. It's so long, okay? You're gonna raise your voice like. It's so long, okay? It's so.
It's how long gonna hit.
I didn't expect that. Okay, I'll do it. What's that? It's how long gonna like for when we're angry, right? We speak with the breath. Our language, we speak with the breath. Like it's more like Japanese. Like we speak with that. I don't know, depth in the breath. Like it's how long gonna like that thing. We speak like that.
Okay.
Americans are like from here. They shout like all that, right? Ours is different. We speak from here, like
Okay.
it's a different way. Like it's so long gonna. You try one more time. It's so long gonna.
It's how long gonna
That's too much, bro. That like a little bit like up. That was too deep.
It's too,
That's too deep.
and dark.
That's dark. Okay, just last time. It's how long gonna.
It's how long gonna.
Okay, you done. Okay, tell me in your language first. How do you say like, oh, shut up, man? Like in Moroccan.
What's
What's that? That was hard, man.
Huh?
That's hard. Do it one more. Say it. For me, it's just because it's new.
Voice,
Yeah,
okay.
it's just new to me. That's why every word seems like everything is same. Like
It's like the same meaning, you know, like
Yeah.
of the phrase.
Oh, next one is just my stomach's growling, right? It's just all about with grievances and the pain that you speak it. I need to be serious. Like you have to shoot up your like word. You're about to die, bro.
It's like dying, right?
Yeah, say it one more time. Yeah, you can be in movies, bro. You're very good in acting. How do you say it in Moroccan?
With the accent?
Yeah, with the accent, man.
You have to say
Oh,
like that.
damn, yo, you guys do you guys
Yeah.
do that? Okay.
Okay.
See, like even the body language have different accents of the body.
Right.
Like, everything is different.
Okay, all you have to do is to say
What? Kasidawani?
Kirshidarani.
Kasidarani?
And you have to do this.
Oh,
It's like you're dying, you know?
yeah, Kasidarani.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my god. Kasidarani. Kasidarani. That's a nice one. That's different. That's the least of the least swearing when you look in that category. So it's to like I don't want to just fleck up saying this is Manipuri because this is not really Manipuri. This is mixed with Hindi as well. Because last time I used that word in the same program and everyone commented that it's not Manipuri.
Okay.
It's not really my language, but it's okay. We use it more. So it's from movie dialogue.
Okay.
But yeah, it went viral after that, right? Because one of an actor, veteran, like amazing comedian, his name is Kabogle Inocha. He flagged up that dialogue. So when you say like oh shit, right? we touch our head like this, right? And, no, you gotta touch your head like this and like dasani hey. Do it
I don't
one
have to look, right? I just like have to
yeah,
peep.
just have to that's yeah, like that's honey.
That's nice,
You did
right?
really good. Yeah, you're
Thanks.
perfect. How do you say oh shit in like in Morocco?
Well, I will not say it like shit,
Oh,
but
yeah.
I would go like with
Oh, like,
the
it's like-
usual, like.
oh yeah, it's more like oh damn.
Oh
like,
damn, yeah, okay.
yeah.
That
Yeah.
would explain like
Yeah, explain
the
that.
choosing of word. Okay. It's like very simple, and it has only one word that you have to say.
How do you say it?
Phew.
What did you say? You know why I'm laughing too? Was good. That's our swear.
Really?
Yeah, we have.
Oh,
How do you say? What do you say?
Phew.
Two is like damn in Moroccan.
Yeah, okay.
Well, that's a really bad word in our
Really?
language.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay, that's.
it's the genital part of the women.
Oh shit.
That's okay. Oh, I'm really surprised that like you guys.
We share so many words.
I'm gonna die right now. That one's funny, bro. How do you say that?
Phew. And with the accent, and you have to move your eyes like from the left to the right or to the right to the left, and you have to say it with that accent. Phew.
Oh my god.